y'all, welcome back to another delicious instant pot recipe. Today I'm going to be sharing my mom's authentic Mexican beef birria that is just so tasty. So I want you guys to save this recipe because I'm positive you guys are going to make it over and over again. And save the ingredients, so pause here as always because we are about to get started. So the first thing you're going to do is de-seed and devein the chile guajillos, and then you're going to boil them for a total of 5 minutes. Next, you're going to add every ingredient into a blender. It's that easy, along with the chile guajillos that you just finished boiling. And you're going to blend this very, very well. I think I blended it like 8 times until it was super smooth. But you'll see why I do that. And then here, you're just gonna add a little bit of oil so that you can bleed out the bone. I know it sounds funny, but my mom just never skips this step. You're supposed to make that bone bleed, and you only do this to the bone-in meat. So do not do this to the lean stew meat that we're gonna be adding soon. But yeah, this is just something my mom always does. And then we're gonna add that remaining meat, the stew meat. And this is why I told you to blend very, very well, because we're going to strain that mixture very, very, very well. You cannot skip this. Don't get lazy on me. We're almost done. And that is it. I had remaining liquid left, but I only put it to the max that the Instant Pot let me. Put it on the sealing option. And then before you know it, you're all done. It's literally so easy. Be careful when you release the steam, duh. But here you have it. It's so good. And I took full advantage. This is the second time I made it. I took a video of both and I made quesadillas. It was so good. So I hope you guys can follow along. Make this with me and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.